put 20 up under the seal. I gotta take a picture of this.
Alright guys, so just lined up with my twin, and it's pretty much the same setup. Has the same tires, same motor, same car, same color, same everything. So, except for it's not a Type R motors. Well, he doesn't know that, but yeah, my twin.
Sticky now.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, yo, beat the ugly twin. Go, go, go. Oh, yeah, he got his ass. He got it.
You said you backed out though, right? He had money on it.
Yeah.
He had money.
Well, no, I was running too quick.
Oh.
I was running too quick.
So if you would have went faster,
That was the first good hit I got.
that's good shit.
Yeah, it's been like 13-7. That's why I won 13-7. And I got 13-1. Then I backed out.
That's good shit. Yo, I'm fucking 5 seconds off. Well, thousandths of a second off from what I said. I said 13:06 and it's 13:05.
We both ran under our times. Like if I would have ran above 13-7, he would have been knocked out.
Yeah.
But because both of us ran under, it was closer. That's how they know about that.
So how do you do?
I mean, the receipt it says here.
But, okay, did you jump? No?
No.
Who crossed the line first?
Nobody. It was just the time trial that affects it. But still,
I thought it was
the time still says
Your
it.
time was at 13:05, right?
Yeah. But he said he backed out.
Oh, your time was at 13:06.
If he ran it fast,
His time was 13:10.
He ran it fast.
You want to talk to an official and see how we would be able to do it?
It says it right here.
Oh, you got the win.
They both say win.
They both say win. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. That's confusing.
I mean, it says win on the left side. For him. What does it say?
Oh, he's saying
Yeah.
Oh, it's a win on your job. Goddamn, Philip.
Yeah, like thousandths of a second. Thousandths of a second.
Like, Lima, we're
By thousandths of a second.
By thousands.
well, all right. Hey, Lima, what's funny, if I could have ran a faster time than him,
it's closer to his number. Closer to his number. Good shit, dude. That's fucking time. You should have told you. Yeah, you should have put lower time.
Go fast and stay.
You got to put a logo on that motherfucker. Fuck all that other shit.
I mean, AC is right, bro. AC is right, bro.
It is, man.
I mean, yeah, sometimes fuck it, but at the same time,
All right, here we go. Bracket 1, round number 2.
Alright guys, so after that last pass, I didn't launch it hard, no burnout, taking it easy. I actually managed to do a 12.7, so high 12s, not bad. You know, it's my last pass. Unfortunately, yeah, the reaction times, you got a 5.9, 60 foot, had a 2.3, and unfortunately, that was a loss. So, I guess it's time for me to go home now. Yeah, pretty much had a long day. Had fun. It was exciting to go down to track a few times. I had fun, and can't wait for September. September is we're gonna have another event, another Honda Day over here at Maryland, and hopefully I should be receiving the new surprise that I've been telling you guys. Well, you guys already know it's a motor, but I'm not gonna tell you what kind of motor. So yeah, hopefully then I could launch my car, I could do nice burnouts. You know, I'm definitely gonna get a clutch, might build a tranny, and time will tell. So like I said, I had fun. I got to see a lot of people, saw Kyle, saw a lot of people. Saw Ricky Sylvia, Ricky from Boosted Boys. So I seen Aki, Kev at Full Time. Shout out to everybody. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, as far as the giveaway, let's see right now. Well, I could barely get any reception over here. So as soon as I get into the hotel, we're gonna be announcing the winner for the giveaway. So yeah.
Shot really got me in my zone now. What the fuck, don't know how I'm getting home now. Ain't going back, we get better. And I'm balling on the niggas like my name Kevin. Sleeping niggas ain't about to go to game 7, yeah. Make 10, spend 2, save 8, yeah. Bad bitches, man, no days, yeah. I don't need no bitch, I'm straight, yeah. I don't wanna cause she know she too fake, yeah.
Alright guys, so we got the car all loaded up. Gonna start heading out now. Just got the just got a confirmation from Gavin. He already sent his address, so congratulations Gavin on the new setup. Now it's time to start heading home. So let me see, where should I head out first? So there it is. That's how long it's gonna take us to get there.
Northeast, then turn left.
3 hours and 55 minutes. We have a long drive home, but we gotta make it, you know. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment on what you guys thought about the trip, the time that the car has made, the passes, and yeah, show some love. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.